This is the second hub assembly replacement I've done on a 2013 Nissan Armada, but didn't do a video on the first one, so figure I'll do one on the second one. This is how you can tell it's bad. So you jack it up in the air, right? You might feel it or hear it. It's coming down the road. All that noise is bad. It's not rolling easily. This has raceway bearings, not ball bearings, but already got most of the work done. But I figured I'd do a video here. You know it needs replaced if this moves when you're working it.